Hi friends, in this video we are going to create the screw part. So this screw is having thread, external thread, and the overall diameter length is 240. So already I have created the part, basic part. I am going to create the sketch. So as I told earlier, create the sketch with the use of working axis and projected point. So for reference purpose, just I am creating overall 240 mm line so that it is easy to visualize the part length, and we can give the features. So this from top I am going to start. Here it is given mentioned as 22 dia. Diameter is 22, so radius 11. The top profile was created. Then this length they have mentioned 13. I am using polyline. Just roughly I am drawing my outer sketches. So now I am going to, this is outer dimension. This height they have given as 13. This chamfer they have not given on the top. So outer diameter is 65 already I have given. This length 83 they have mentioned. From this top edge to this bottom edge 83. I am not going to create the knurling profile or thread profile, because if I create it, it will increase the size of the part, so it will reduce the speed of the system. So this outer shaft diameter they have mentioned as 38 dia and into 7. So 7 is pitch, 38 is the diameter of the thread. So in Catia we have the representation thread, so I am going to use that one only. Then we have two features, one is like drill from the top and another one is drill from the side. I am going to use the revolve option. Using the Z axis I have revolved this part. Next I am going to create the top feature, counter drilled hole. For that one they have provided all the dimensions. Next we will create the center profile feature. So for this one just I am clicking the hole. So if you click the hole you will get different types of hole. So I am going to create the counter drilled hole. From seeing my profile I can get it. So they have mentioned diameter of 12 at the top and thread of the length of the thread, total length 35, and M12 they have mentioned. Thread length depth they have mentioned as 30 mm. I have given the diameter of the drill 12, and here I am changing the cut bottom to V bottom. So by default it is 120 degree, we can keep the same. So here at the top 12 mm diameter, the height I am giving 3 mm because in dimension they have mentioned. So thread condition I am going to give. So whenever you are giving thread diameter is 12 means that internal hole diameter should be less. So 10 mm dia I have this one. So this is virtual thread I have created. So drilled hole is created with the internal virtual thread. Next feature is hole on the side. So this is a blind hole throughout the part. I am taking the center plane. So that is the reason we are using the axis system. By using one axis system we can create the profile in all three axes. So next I am creating the center hole. So for this one just I am changing blind and the position of the hole. So this is how you need to position your hole dimensions. Center, so whenever they are giving the drawings, whatever the dimensions they have taken from the outermost profile, you also follow the same dimensioning. So from top I have given, now I am going to change it to from the bottom, then only it will be easy for you to understand, and in future if they want to modify, you can also easily modify these dimensions. So blind hole is created. So just I am giving blind and I will give the dimension. So you can see the preview. So this hole is created. Thanks for watching this video. So next, this chamfer we need to provide on the side, on the top and at the bottom. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you have any doubts, please add your doubts in the comment bar. Like and share with your friends. Now I am going to add the chamfer profile. So they have mentioned 10. Before that just I am giving 3. just checking whether it is coming properly or not. It is not coming properly. It is selected the full face. Now I'm going to change this one as 10. If you see, it is selected the full face of the part. So whenever you are clicking on the edges, be careful. See, my profile itself, it got changed. See, if I click the edge also, it is taking that one more edge. So chamfer also added to this part. So this thread I am not going to add it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video. I am going to save this part. We will see the assembly video.